Introducing in the brown gloves, in the right corner, Kimbo Slice, weighing at approximately 13 ounces, versus his opponent, the Doomed Coon, weighing at around 17 ounces and about 13 inches tall, in the white gloves. Let's get ready to rumble.
Ding ding! Now punch your gloves and be friendly. Protect yourself at all times. Oh, let's get it on! Ding ding!
Oh man, here's a good old right from Kimbo Slice. Oh, it's an uppercut. Oh, Doom Coon's coming back with a few jabs. Oh, he made him eat that crutch. Jesus Christ. Oh, the excitement.
Motherfucker!
Oh, it's turning into craziness now. Here, we need a ref. Break it up, break it up.
Get the fuck out!
Break it up, I said break it up.
You motherfucker!
We'll continue this battle next time on WWE Puppies.